Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add video directly in Squarespace. This is a straightforward process that lets you embed videos right into your website pages without needing any third-party hosting, making your content more dynamic and engaging for visitors. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that has access to the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, you'll see all the websites associated with your account displayed. Simply click on the website where you want to add the video. This will take you into the editor for that specific site. After the site loads, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu there. Click on Website, and directly under it, you'll find an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This section shows you all the different pages that make up your website. Now navigate through your pages to find the specific page where you want to add the video. Once you've located it, click Edit. This will open the page editor, allowing you to make changes and add new content blocks to your page. With the editor open, you'll see an option to click Add Block. This is Squarespace's way of letting you insert different types of content onto your pages. Click on Add Block, and from the menu that appears, select Video. This creates a dedicated video block on your page. You can drag the video block around to position it wherever you'd like on your page. Just click on the block you just added and you'll see an option that says Add a Video. Click on it to start the upload process. Just a reminder before we move forward, Squarespace has a 30-minute maximum limit for videos uploaded directly to the platform, so keep that in mind when selecting your file. After clicking Add a Video, you'll be presented with several options. You can upload a file from your computer, select from your library if you've previously uploaded videos, or add from a link. For this tutorial, we'll upload a file directly, so click on Upload File. Now browse through your files and select the video you want to add. Once you've chosen it, the upload will begin. Keep in mind that the uploading time depends on the size of the video, so if you have a larger file, it might take a few minutes to complete. Just be patient and let it finish processing. After the video has fully uploaded and appears in your video block, make sure to save your changes. Click Save to ensure everything is locked in, and your video is now live on your page. And there you have it, you've successfully added a video directly to your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.